How to see first message on Instagram without scrolling. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can find the first message on Instagram without scrolling if you're tired of endlessly scrolling to find your first message on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. The first method is to use a search in chat. For that, you have to open up Instagram, go to your DMs, tap on the chat where you want to find the first message. Then you have to tap on their name at the top. That will take you to this page. Once you're here, tap on the search icon. So in the search bar, you have to search for the conversation that you can remember. You have to type something like hi or hello or a word you might have used early in the chat. Instagram will highlight all of the results and you have to just tap the oldest one to jump back into the conversation. If not, now you could also go to the PC and then open up Instagram.com through a browser, then log in into your Instagram account. Then you have to open up your messages. Now on your PC, open up the chat, hold down the up arrow key or click or drag the scroll bar quickly to the top. So this will also help you get to the first message on your Instagram. And third option is to download your Instagram data, which will show all of your first message, including everything. So for that, you have to go to your profile. So head over to your profile, tap on the three-line icon at the top right, head over to the first option, account seller, then go to your information and permissions, tap on download your information, tap on download transfer information, select your Instagram, tap on next, then some of your information, then you could select messages from here, then tap on next. After that, tap on download a device, then tap on create files. Once you send your request to Instagram, Instagram will provide you a file or will send you a link. There you have to download the file, open it in your device, and you will see your entire chat history, including that very message you have been looking for. So these are the way that will help you find your first message on Instagram without scrolling. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.